Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, we can pull down our notification panel and see if we have the toggle for power saving in here. And by default it looks like there isn't one, so I'm going to tap on the pencil and see if I can find it in here, which we do have power saving mode, as you can see right here. Once you find it, you can grab it. As you can see, the text right here changes, which means that you can now drag it over, drop it, and have it accessible in your notification panel. So once you find it in here, click on it, select enable, and voila, there is our power saving mode enabled. Additionally, once you're done with it, you can also tap on it to turn it off. So boom, now it's off. And if you hold it, it will take you to the settings, as you just seen me do. So let's go back, hold it, there we go. And in here we have two options, which is well, right now when both of them are turned off, this is the normal mode. Then we have the performance mode, which will reduce the battery life by about an hour, as you can see. And lastly, we have the actual power saving mode, which increases the battery life by about 7 hours, it looks like, 7.5. So there we go. Once you enable it, you can see the timer jump right here as well. And obviously you can enable power saving mode from here or from the toggle itself. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.